Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the JioPhone Next. So as you all know, Mukesh Ambani launched a new smartphone called the JioPhone Next at 44th Reliance AGM 2021 event. The device has been developed in partnership with Google and runs on optimized version of Android. It will also receive major Android OS and security updates. This device supports all the applications from Google and Jio, and you can access all the apps via Google Play Store. They have optimized a special version of Android specifically for this phone. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has said it's built for India and for users who will experience a smartphone for the first time. JioPhone Next will be an affordable 4G smartphone having a price range within Rs 5000. Talking about the features, it have inbuilt voice assistant, automatic screen text reader, which can read web pages, apps, messages and even photos. It can also translate what's on the screen and even read it back to them in their own preferred language. Getting onto the camera section, we have a single front and rear camera with LED flash at the rear panel. The users will also get a good camera experience as device has HDR mode and Snapchat lenses that are directly accessible from the camera. As it's a budget smartphone, it does not have fingerprint sensor or a bezel-less design. JioPhone Next will be available later this year on Ganesh Chaturthi, that is on September 10th. So thank you for watching the video guys. Hit the like button and comment your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to share the video with your friends.